Hi everyone. In the previous video we have seen what is correlated subquery, right? Now in this video I'll try to give you a brief difference between subquery and correlated subquery. And as I told you, this is an interview question. So if you're going for an interview, please have a look on this, prepare this properly and then answer confidently. Definitely you will make a good impression on the interviewer and you can get a good package, right? So what is the difference? The first difference is that in the inner query, it is not dependent on the outer query. It is not dependent on the outer query. But as far as your correlated subquery is concerned, inner query is dependent on the outer query. It is dependent on the outer query, right? Let me give you an example. You have this subquery. This inner query will be executed first and then it will give a result, and then the outer query will get executed according to the result given by the inner query. All right. So there is no dependency. But if you talk about correlated subquery, right? In the inner query, you are mentioning as e.department number, e.department number. Now what is this e? E is coming from the outer query, outer table. As a matter of fact, you are using the same table. But here we have given name as E and here we have given name as E. But you are saying that, right? E.department number. That means there is a correlation between the outer table and the inner table, right? That is the reason. What is the name? Correlated subquery. Correlated. That means there is a relation between between the inner query and the outer query. That is the reason it is known as correlated. There is a relationship, but here there is no dependency, right? So that is the first difference. What is the second difference? Second difference is first inner query will be executed and then outer query will be executed. First inner query will be executed, this one, and then outer query will be executed. But reverse happens, or opposite things happens in the correlated subquery. Here first outer query will be executed. It will go inside in the inner query and then inner query will be executed and then inner query will be executed, right? So this is happening opposite. This is the second difference. What is the third difference? Third difference is inner query and outer query will be executed only once, right? So this will be executed and based on the result, this outer query will be executed only once and you will get the result. The execution is very smooth and very simple and very short time. Okay, it will not take much time to get executed. But when you are working with correlated subquery, inner query will be executed for each record of outer query, right? It will calculate the first record and then go inside and then check. First record will be checked from the outer query, will be selected, it will go inside and then it will check whether this salary is matching with the minimum salary or not for this particular range. Again, second record will come and will check for this range. So that's how, until all the records gets completed, this execution will keep on going, right? So it will take a lot of time. So I can say or I can have fourth difference also. What is the fourth difference? I can have the fourth difference as well. The fourth difference can be it will take less time. And what about correlated subquery? It will take more time than subquery. So I hope you understood the concept. That is the difference between subquery and correlated subquery. All right. Till then, happy learning.